Hi.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We're getting an mr2 and two Supras.
That's right. So we have an opportunity to buy two Mark III Supras and a first gen MR2. So that's what we're going to pick up. It's the same place that we got Brian's Supra from. So this is going to be exciting.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Put your seatbelt on.
All right.
Well, here we are. And there's our MR2. And the loader's stuck right there. Oh boy, he's probably not very happy with me. Okay, so we got that one out of the way, right? And wow, that was adventurous, to say the least. Huh?
Doors open. Adventurous.
So now we're going to snatch off of that tree, straight line with the MR2. I'm sorry, we're going to snatch off of this tree, straight line with the MR2, and then we're going to snatch off of that one, and then we'll be able to pull her straight up and out, and we are going to the house. Huh?
Having lots of fun.
You want to buy that truck too, since it's a Toyota?
I don't know. There's a million Toyotas here. I've been taking emblems off of them.
I mean, there's only a few Toyotas, but Camry, Celica, Camry.
Celica.
All right, so we got it drug out of its marks here. We snatched off of that tree there. Now we are going off of this one here. So we're gonna try pulling on it a little bit, see what we can do. Alright, so we got her moving up here. Mike's pulling on it from up there. And it could have went better, but it could have gone a hell of a lot worse. So we're gonna work this up here and then get it to where he can just hook onto it with the truck, and away we go. Wow. Okay, got it. Nothing's tore up. We're gonna take it home, clean it up, and you wanna try to start it? We have to check to make sure it's got oil in it first, huh?
Yeah.
Might have to jack it up a little bit, see what's happening. So we're gonna drag it home, and we're gonna see what happens. You ready? Let's go. Well, we got it into the shop, and it is filthy. So I have sprayed some degreaser all over everything, and Brian has his fancy brush, and he's going to brush this thing down so we can see what it actually looks like underneath all the grime. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we got it cleaned up, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? What do you think?
I love it.
I think it's in such good shape. I mean, there's obviously a couple bad spots,
Yeah.
but it's in such good shape. So, the paint's quite faded,
Yeah.
which, I mean, if you sat around for a while, you'd be faded too, huh? But the interior's in good shape. I mean, you know, it needs to be cleaned, obviously. Let's see. Yeah, wow. I don't know what's going on there. There we go. 150,000 miles on it. 155,68, I guess. But stick shift car. Everything's in pretty decent shape, really. The dash and everything. So, what are you doing? But everything's here. Sunroof. I'm excited. This is cool.
Totally.
So we'll get this one buttoned up. It's got the 4AGE in it, but it has a propane conversion on it. So the injectors are unhooked and they just have this propane running to it. It's pretty weird. So we're gonna get rid of that because that's creepy. It's a rolling time bomb the way I see it. So, and then Brian got him a few emblems. That's awesome. All right.
Subscribe.
Oh, okay. Wow. We'll see you guys on the next video then, and maybe we try to start this or something, huh? Okay, cool. All right, thanks for watching. See ya.